Now, let's focus on adding a new report category. When a user clicks the Add a New Report button, they are presented with a form. This form allows users to create a new report category with the following fields. Name. This is where you enter the name of the new report category. Internal. This drop-down indicates whether the report is for internal use within the organization. External. This drop-down specifies if the report is meant to be shared with clients or external parties. The distinction between internal and external is crucial. After filling out the form, users can either submit the new category or cancel the operation using the respective buttons at the bottom of the form. This system allows for flexible management of report categories, ensuring that both internal and external reporting needs are met efficiently. The clear distinction between and external reports helps maintain proper information sharing protocols and data privacy standards.